Hello, today I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinochi Azeri. Today I wan talk about how you go take change your name. Whether you be man or you be woman, you marry, no marry, you wan change your name. I go tell you today because so many people don dey ask me how dem go take dey change their name. One thing wey some people no know be say if you wan change your name, one, no be say you go just go swear affidavit change your name. Any valid ID card wey you get, you must go change your name there. For example, before you change your name, let's say your name na Sanima Abike for name, and now you don marry, you wan change your name to Sanima Abike Alhassan. Your name, wetin you go do be say, first of all, you go go either high court or magistrate court, anyone wey dey close to you. You go go do official change of name there. And when you change finish for there, e no end there. You go go any of the national dailies. Which one be national? You know say no be all newspaper be national dailies. Some na just for state dem dey publish. National dailies na like Vanguard this day, wetin dem, all those ones na dem be national daily. You go go publish, do the publication there, say you don change your name. Then when you don finish this one, na that your affidavit, the newspaper publication, you go come carry am go NIN office, NIMC, go there, tell them say you wan change your name wey dey for their database, you wan change am to this one, say you don change your name to so so and so. Dem go change am for you. Because some of una for affidavit and newspaper publication, I go dey answer another name. Meanwhile, valid ID card wey you get dey answer another name. E no dey work like that. If you don do change of name officially, if na voters card you dey use, you go go change your name there. If na NIN you dey use, you go go change your name there. Now I don tell you, you don know. You wey dey watch my video, when you watch, share. No dey watch and dey keep am to yourself. Thank you.